This garlic ginger coconut shrimp with lemon and honey is incredible. It's made in only one skillet and ready in 20 minutes. So let's make it today. This dish is great and full of a flavor by its own, but I like to serve it with a tangy mango and avocado salsa. So easy, so simple to do. This salsa is wonderful. It really elevates the flavors and pairs very well with the coconut and the shrimp or any seafood or chicken dishes. Just dice some mango, jalapeño, avocado and cilantro. Mix them together, then squeeze some lime juice, add salt and black pepper and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Let's now make the shrimp. Here I have 300 grams of shrimp. I pat them dry and I'll season them with salt, ground black pepper and cayenne pepper and mix all that together. Before cooking, I'll prepare everything I need to add later because the shrimp will cook so fast. So I'll need to peel and grate about 1 tablespoon of ginger and also mince 4 cloves of garlic, and finally I'll grate a zest from 1 lime. Now heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil on a large skillet over medium-high heat, and when it's sizzling, add the shrimp to the pan and spread them in an even single layer. Sear them for 2 to 3 minutes, then flip them over and cook for another 2 minutes. After it's cooked, reduce the heat to a medium-low. Now the best part is cooking the garlic and ginger in the butter. This is where the flavor is at. Add 3 tablespoons of butter, then add the minced garlic and ginger and continue to cook the shrimp in this butter. Let it get golden and fragrant. Now add 1 cup of canned coconut milk along with 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of honey to balance the strong flavors. Stir them together to combine and gently simmer for 5 minutes until everything is warmed through. Turn off the heat and add the lime zest, squeeze lime juice, and to finish it off, add half cup of a fresh chopped cilantro. Serve it over rice with the salsa and you will love the combination of the coconut shrimp with the tanginess and the sweetness from the mango and avocado. And just look how easy and full of a flavor is this. I think this will become your favorite dish. So try this recipe, and if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel.